Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today's recipe is fun and refreshing. It's for a mixed berry fluff salad. It makes for an excellent side dish. It's a great idea to take to a potluck and even for a backyard barbecue. And so we'll get together a few simple ingredients and it'll be fast and easy to put together. Get a large mixing bowl and add 1 tub or about 1 liter of Cool Whip, and it should be partially thawed so that's easy to mix. Next, add 1 can of raspberry pie filling, which is about 21 ounces or 540 ml. Take a large spoon and stir this in until it's well combined. So this will be what gives it that nice pink color. Now to set this off and give it an awesome flavor, we'll add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and that'll be about a 300 ml size. And next is a half cup of sour cream. Now once again, stir it in until it's well combined. And as you can see here, it's looking pretty fluffy, just as the name implies. Alright, so let's add a little bit of pineapple. Make sure it's well drained, and it will need to be about 1 full can, which is about 398 ml of pineapple tidbits. And make sure that they're well drained because the juice will make it too thin. So next, I add some miniature marshmallows, and this will be about 2 1/4 cups. Then add 1 cup of chopped pecans, and I love the crunch that this gives in the salad. I think it sets it off quite nicely. So fold it in and stir this until it's well combined and coated well. Now I add a cup of fresh mixed berries, and that would be blueberries, chopped strawberries, and raspberries. And fresh berries work best because the frozen ones would be too much moisture, I think. So we can get ready to serve this up and decorate the top. Careful how many mixed berries I actually put inside of the salad because I like to decorate the top with a few, and I don't want to overpower the pineapple that's inside the salad. So you decorate it with a few mixed berries, and a sprig of cilantro is kind of nice. Another idea would be to serve it on a bed of lettuce. So what do you think? Would you want some? This is so nice served up fresh, but it will keep in the fridge for about 3 days. You would just need to cover it with some plastic wrap or store it in an airtight container. So this is not only a good looking salad, it's absolutely good tasting. And it'll sweeten up any meal. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and until next time, happy eating.